Hey, here is another recipe from Just Matthew's Kitchen. In this video, we're gonna see how to make Kerala's special Vattayappams or steamed rice cake. Traditionally, we make this Vattayappam by grinding soaked rice and fresh coconut to a fine paste batter and ferment the batter overnight by adding toddy, a local alcoholic drink, and then steam the fermented batter in a circular pan or a cake tin or a baking pan to get a round shape. And at the end, you get a perfectly soft and spongy steamed rice cake or Vattayappam. These Vattayappams are a popular starter in Christian weddings and a popular breakfast or a snack among Christian communities of South Kerala. But here I made it easy by combining rice flour and coconut milk powder and fermented by using yeast. Popular combinations of the Vattayappams are chicken stew, mutton stew or beef stew. But it also goes really well with just white sugar. For easy understanding, here I divided this recipe into 4 easy steps. Kindly watch it. Just a note, ingredients are listed down in the description box. Kindly stop there. And here is the recipe. Step 1. Proof the yeast. For proofing the yeast, combine 1 cup of lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of white sugar and set aside for minimum 10 minutes. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1.5 cups of rice flour, half a cup of coconut milk powder, incorporate well with a wire whisk. Make sure that there is no lumps in the flour. Now add step 1 yeast. Beat well with a wire whisk for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the batter is well mixed, add a 1/4 cup of water. Just a note, here we added total of 1 cup plus 1/4 cup of water. Step 2. Combine well and allow to ferment it. It will take around 7 to 8 hours. Remember, keep the batter in warm place. Transfer the batter to a container or a big pan with a tight lid. This is how I ferment my batter. Fill 3/4 part of kitchen sink with the hot water. Place the pan in hot water. Make sure that the pan is tightly closed and change the water for 2 to 3 times. After a good 7 to 8 hours, the fermented batter looks like this. The batter is almost doubled its size and lots of holes in the batter. That means it is perfectly fermented. Combine the batter with a dry spatula or spoon. And keep aside. Step 3. Line a 8-inch round pan with a parchment paper and keep aside. Add 3 tablespoons of white sugar to the fermented batter and 1½ teaspoons of cardamom powder. Mix well and divide the batter into 2 equal halves. Pour 1/2 to the step 3 prepared pan. Step 4. Place the pan on steamer. Close the steamer and steam for 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. After a good 15 to 18 minutes, open the steamer. Our steamed rice cake or Vattayappam looks like this. Now carefully take the pan out from the steamer. Transfer the Vattayappam to a serving plate and allow to cool it completely. Repeat the same with the other half of the batter. This recipe yields 2 Vattayappams. This time I place my pan on the steamer itself and I pour the batter. This is much easier than the previous one. Close the steamer and steam for 15 to 18 minutes. After a good 18 minutes, open the steamer and take the Vattayappams out from the steamer. Soft and spongy Vattayappams or steamed rice cakes are ready. Allow to cool it completely and then cut it into squares or rectangles. Enjoy with a mutton stew or chicken stew. Just a note, its recipe links are down in the description box. Kindly stop there. And some people love to have it with just white sugar. I hope you like this recipe and give it a try soon. Thanks for watching Just Matthew's Kitchen. Kindly subscribe my channel for more yummy recipes. Thanks again. Bye bye.